Hello friends, welcome back. So in first part we have seen about the what is research, the different types of the research and the comparison in between these types of the research. So now we are going to see about the criteria for the good research. So for a good research we have to follow all the steps and we should know about some points that should we follow. So for the criteria of good research, the purpose should be clearly defined and it should be in common concept to be used. The research procedure should be described in sufficient detail to permit the other researcher to permit this research for the further advancement and keeping the continuity of what has been already attained and what we have to further carry out. Then the procedural design for the research should be carefully planned to yield the results that are objectives as possible. Researchers should report the complete blankness and flaws in procedural design and estimate their effect upon the findings. The analysis of data should be sufficiently adequate to relevant its significance and method of analysis used should be appropriate. The validity and reliability of data should be checked carefully. Conclusions should be confined to those justified by the data of research and limited to those which data provide the adequate basis. Greater the confidence in research is warranted if the research is experienced. So has to be good reputation in research in the person of integrity. In other words, that means we can say that research should be systematic. That means research is structured with specific steps to taken in the specified sequence in accordance with well defined set of the rules. That means the particular rules we have to follow, or it should be systematic. That means the all following steps we have to follow. Firstly we have to formulate the research problem, then we have to formulate the hypothesis, then next we have to follow the research design. That means all the systematic arrangement that we have to follow. Then second criteria for the good research is that the research should be logical. That means it implies that the research is guided by the rules of the logical reasoning and the logical processes of the induction and deduction of the great values of carrying out the research. Induction of the process in the part of the whole areas, deduction process reasoning from the same premises to conclusion follow the very premises. In fact, the original reasoning takes place in the research more meaningful in context of the decision making. That means once we consider the logical thinking, so our research must be meaningful in context to the decision making. Then the third criteria is good research is empirical. That means it implies that the research is related basically to one or more aspect in real situation and that deals with the concrete data which proves the bias for the external validity of result. Then next is the good research is replicable. So it's a characteristic that allows the result to be verified by the replicating study, thereby building a sound biases for the decision. That means I already told about the analysis data should be in appropriate form. That means it conclusion confined justified the data. So the limited to the those which provide the adequate biases. So the next point is about the significance of the research methodology. So the research which encourages the scientific constructive thinking besides the promoting development of the logical habit of the thinking organization. So, as we know, the research is scientific, as we already explained in the defining of the research, which includes the understanding the world around us and it find the solutions for the problem. The role of research is applied in economic in context of the economy or the business is greatly increasing in modern time. So all this research we are carrying out we can apply it in the business or economical sector to increase the feasibility in the time, so which will provide the basis for the almost government policies and economic system. So this research is also assume the significance in solving the various operational and planning problem associated with the business and industry. So that means it is equally important for the analyzing the social relationship, seeking the explanation to the various social problems. So that means in other words we can say that the significance of the research in several fields has been greatly increases in the modern time. So it increasing complex nature of the problem which is focusing on the attention use of the research for the problem solving the problem of the research. So those who are who are studying in social relationship and seeking the trying to answer all the various problems, so we can get that in significance manner. So the significance and the scope of research is to get the help in the project identification, to helps in the economic use of the resources, to identify the alternative courses of the action. So that's all about the significance and the criteria for the good research. Thank you.